Out this chemical?
Yes.
It's taking out all the way, all the dirty stuff. Look at this.
Nice. Are you the cleaner man? Let's take a look at this setup. So you have handy wipes, and you have a basket that you've turned upside down, and you're cleaning the wheels. But you don't have a garbage. There's a garbage over by the laundry. Hmm?
Can you get it for me?
Mm-mm.
We have to bring one outside for us, so we can throw this away.
It's already outside, kiddo. It's by the washing machine. It's in the garage.
Huh. Oh, by the garage. Where? Where is it?
It's by the washing machine.
Now we need to bring this one outside.
Why?
So whenever we need to throw things away, then we can throw it away outside.
Will you bring it back and put it back where you found it when you're done with it?
Yeah.
Okay, then bring it outside. Sounds logical to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna do one
Well,
more
go
thing.
grab it, kiddo.
Okay. Can I pick it up?
Sure. Well, that's... Oops. Nice job.
Oh, Mr. Red Ballie! Red Ballie! Red Ballie! Got him. Mr. Ballie! Mr. Ballie! See? We cleaned up the wheel.
Nice job.
Yeah. When you go again, the wheels are going to get dirty. After they get dirty, we're going to clean it back again. The wheels stay clean. Now, do you know we have a lot of wipes?
Hey, Vivian, Mr. Ballie's at the end of the driveway.
I'll try the purple one. Storm. No! Mr. Ballie! Mr. Ballie! Mr. Ballie! Mr. Ballie! Go right in. garbage away, we can throw garbage in here.
Let's leave that rolled up.
And whenever we need to throw garbage away.
You found the garbage in the...
Yeah, poop. No. This is for me.
That's for you, for poop?
Yeah, when I poop.
Yeah, but you don't really poop in diapers anymore, do you? You go poop in the toilet.
Put that back. Yeah, in here. But we found it.
Yes, you did.
Uh-oh. Let's take our... Because our wheels doesn't work. We have to clean our wheels, right?
You just cleaned your wheels.
And we have to check after really clean.
Oh, okay. I bet you they're dirty again.
We have to get grass to scrape that stuff off.
What do you need to get?
Look at this white stuff.
What is it?
That's from one of these wipes.
Oh, there's wipes stuck in the wheels?
Yeah, see this stuff?
Can you use your finger to get it off?
No. We want our fingers to be clean.
What if you wipe your finger off after you're done prying it out? Yeah, you're fast.
It's your turn, baby.
Whoa, what was that?
You bailed.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Nice job. It's easier if you go downhill, honey.
Yeah, well, you need to walk it uphill too. Yeah, that's fine. Nice job, Vivian. Let's see you do that again.
Then you got a blister?
I did.
Can I see?
Sure.
Okay, Victor, can you get out of her way? Hey, your Razor scooter's rolling away.
Scooter's going into the...
Let's park that in the grass. Nice job. Now it shouldn't roll away. Okay, Vivian. Let's see you go back down the hill again.
I got a blood blister.
I just got a regular blister.
What was that? Why?
It was from all the raking.
Why
See, this is why Mommy doesn't do yard work.
Mommy needs gloves. Mama has gloves. Mama blew it.
Can we play in a pile of leaves?
Woo!
Stay on the driveway, honey.
Oh, you're okay. That was an awesome crash. Is your leg stuck?
Do you need help?
Do you need help?
Mom and me are over here. Can I help?
You don't need
You didn't need any help. Nice.
Ooh. I need to get out of this grass.
All right. You're tough.
This area, but it's
I think that bike's a little too big for you, Vivian. What do you think?
no.
No? Okay. Oh, you should be able to do it on your own then.
You help me.
Hey, Vivian, you should be doing the balance bike. This bike's too big. Here, try to put your leg over the top of it. If you can put your leg over the top and sit down, then I'll help you.
Alright, if he does that one, I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, I think that bike's too big, honey.
No.
Yeah. All right, Victor, let's see how, this is how you do your balance, remember? This is part of riding your bike. This is the balance part.
I can do the other side. Yeah, I did my bike.
Nice job, Victor.
So that's one of the 3 things that we talked about for riding the bike. Remember, you have to pedal, you have to balance, which you're doing right now, and you need to steer, which you're also doing right now. So you already know how to do 2 of the 3 things. We just have to pedal with the red and silver bike. Okay? But otherwise you're doing what you're doing now. Almost! Are you frustrated? Victor, she needs to ride the bike you're on. Do it one more time and then give her bike back.
She did it 2 times, I do it.
Okay, go for it.
We both do it 2 times.
I'll help you with the white bike. Victor's going to give you the white bike.
I don't want the white bike.
The white bike is the one that's right for you. It's the right size.
Mommy, to help me.
This bike's too big, honey.
Maybe I don't know how to do this bike.
Okay, stay out of the street. Here comes a car.
Is that our neighbor?
I don't know who it is.
It's our neighbor.
He's lost.